Hey, Steve Stine from Guitarzoom here, and I want to show you today a pedal made by Donner called the Alpha Cruncher. And basically what it is it's a 3-in-1 pedal that has distortion, it has a delay, and it also has a chorus in it. And let's just go ahead and take a look at it here. Now, if you look at the pedal itself, it looks somewhat similar to Tech 21's Fly Rig, although it has the delay and the chorus separately, and it doesn't have the Sans Amp style thing. So what I found with this pedal is that it works quite well in front of an amp. I don't know that I would use it so much running directly into a PA, but it works wonderful for just running directly in front of an amp. So what I want to do is show you some of the sounds that I've got this set up with my Paul Reed Smith here. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm just running into a twin reverb, flat, no delay, no reverb, no nothing. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from left to right, and I'm going to keep it clean. I'm just going to add the effects in, and then I'll show you the distortion. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add in the delay. Okay, so I'm going to go a little bit clean here. Okay, so just a pretty typical good sounding delay. I could turn it up a little more. Depending on what you like for your delay setting. Now, when I run these delays, I always try and back off my volume. So my delay is usually kind of in the afterthought of my sound, my tone. So you can hear it back there a little bit. But just a little bit. So it's not getting in the way of my signal. That's how I generally like to run it. So that's the delay. It sounds really nice. Let me turn it up just so you can hear what it sounds like. Right? Okay, so I'm going to back that off a little bit. Now I'm going to go over to the chorus. So I'm going to turn off the delay, I'll turn on the chorus. So a nice little chorus. Again, it's got a level, a rate, and depth like most chorus pedals do. You can get real nice sounding choruses depending on what effect you're looking for. I tend to use my chorus. If I'm using a chorus, I tend to use it so it's, again, just thickening up a little bit. Now I'm going to turn the delay on as well. Again, very nice sounding delay and chorus together. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move over to the distortion. So I'm going to shut these off. And again, this is just straight through a twin reverb here. Here we go. Maybe add a little delay in there. Now, let's look at the distortion side of things a little bit. So you've got a volume, a gain, and a tone. Now, the tone gets quite bright, which is nice. You've got a lot of space there. And you'll notice that my gain, if you can see it, my gain is quite low. I'm sitting right now at about 3 o'clock maybe. So I've got a lot of space. Okay, so it really is an awesome little pedal. Again, running it in front of an amp seems ideal for me versus running it directly into a PA or something, but I think you really have to try that out for yourself and see what you think about it. But check it out, Donner's Alpha Cruncher pedal. Very cool pedal with 3 very usable and awesome sounding effects that you can play.